This video is about an original openwork relief knitting with hexagon-like shapes. This lovely texture is possible due to double purl decreases, which are worked on the wrong side, and a unique method for double knitting, a yarn over loop. The scheme consists of 4 stitches and 4 rows. We start from the wrong side. Row 1 wrong side. The repeat pattern for this row is: make a yarn over loop. Make 1 decrease with a slant to the right by knitting 2 loops together. And make 1 decrease with a slant to the left by knitting 2 loops together. Again, yarn over, knit 2 together with a slant to the right. Knit 2 together with a slant to the left. Keep going in this manner till the end of the row. Row 2 right side, from the beginning to the end, knit all stitches. Row 3 wrong side, at the beginning of the row out of scheme, purl the first yarn over loop. The repeat pattern for this row is: purl 2 loops, purl 1 from the bottom row and slip 1. Again, purl 2, purl 1 from the bottom row and slip 1. Keep going in this manner till the end of the row. Row 4 right side, from the beginning to the end, knit all stitches. I've shown you a lovely openwork knitting perfect for capes, accessories, light vests, and summer shirts. It will give a luxurious look to any garment knitted with it and is an ideal choice for summer. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.